Sir Faizan, if you can see this image, that's the breaking we are flashing on our screens. On RJD leader first saying that we are going to have a Gen Z uprising if there's any manipulation in the vote, vote counting today. And now here you have another leader, Sarika Paswan, who holds a stick, almost threatening, saying that people are going to be booted if at all there's any, trouble at the counting booth. So what does it project?
Hello, good morning to everybody. Yeah, I can see this lady, although she is not a very important leader to be projected like this. Just for the sake of this photo opportunity, she is holding this stick and threatening that what taiyari ho gaya na bhai log. Kind of threatening language. You see, even yesterday, one RJD leader who is quite prominent, and he's also an MLC, and he's Muh Bhola Bhai of Rabli Devi, Mr. Sunil. Yeah, and he had threatened, what he had threatened, that his party workers, RJD workers, will make Patna in Nepal, a kind of Nepal that uprising.
I'll play that bite out. Faizan, I'll play that bite out. Yes.
We'll just play that out.
He was threatening to make Bihar a Nepal kind of thing, and after that, an FIR has also been lodged against him.
Yeah, precisely so why my question is the RJD nervous making such statements. They're basically, this is an extension of trying to say that SIR itself was wrong, and they've already tried to manipulate with the electoral roll, and now with the counting they won't allow it. So trying to stand guard, but that's more showing their nervousness. If we could play that bite out, the RJD leader warning of a Gen Z protest. Let's hear it first.
महागठबंधन नहीं, पूरी आम पब्लिक रोड पे उतर जाएगी। जो कुकृत आपने वर्ष 2020 में किया कि 4-4 घंटा आपने काउंटिंग रोकवा दिया, 4-4 घंटा किसी को बारे में किसी को कुछ पता नहीं था, वो काम अगर इस बार होगा तो या तो मेरा उम्मीदवार बाहर आएगा या वो जो रिटर्निंग अफसर होगा वो बाहर आएगा। मैं आपको चेतावनी देना चाहता हूँ, पूरी जनता सड़क पर आएगी और वो दृश्य देखने को मिलेगा जो आपको नेपाल में देखने को मिला है। और पूरी जनता इस चीज से आशंकित है कि ये बेईमान लोग, जिस चुनाव आयोग के बारे में साख पर उसका बट्टा लग चुका है, जितने रिटर्निंग अफसर हैं, किस तरह से उनकी पोस्टिंग की गई है, तो यह पूरी जनता आशंकित है कि कहीं न कहीं आप बेईमानी कीजिएगा तो आपको भी नेपाल का दृश्य यहाँ पर देखने को मिलेगा।